Have you ever wondered how sisig is actually made in the Philippines? In the heart of Pampanga, one sizzling dish tells the story of Filipino ingenuity and flavor, sisig. This documentary-style video shows the art, craft, and love behind every plate. This well-known Filipino dish can be found all over the world where there are people of Filipino heritage. Tara na! Let's go see! We are in Angeles City. Clark U.S. Air Force Base used to be installed in this area. It was affected by the cataclysmic eruption of nearby Mount Pinatubo, with up to 60,000 people being evacuated from the city. The Clark Air Force Base is no longer here. Sisig still survives and is thriving. In this episode, we're taking you to where the delicious Filipino dish, sisig, was created. We'll meet the granddaughter of the lady who created sisig.
Ako po si Carmina Pangilinan, third generation ng Aling Lucing sisig. Pasyal kayo sa Pampanga, subukan nyo yung sisig ni Aling Lucing, yung original na sisig ni Aling Lucing.
The magic begins with carefully selected pork cheek and snout. Each piece is grilled until tender, then chopped into small pieces.
Nagtitinda pa siya ng ganyan din. Sa kabila naman, dyan, sa may release ng tren. Accidentally, yung niluluto niyang barbecue na tenga ng baboy, nasunog. Ngayon, alam mo na yung mga matatanda, ayaw nila ng may nasasayang. Para daw hindi masayang, ang ginawa niya dun sa tenga ng baboy, tinadtad niya. Tapos, nagsangkap siya ng asin, paminta, kalamansi, konting atay ng manok, at saka sibuyas. Tapos yung tinadtad niyang tenga, hinalo niya doon. So, pagkahalo niya, pinatikim niya sa mga customer niya. Noon kasi, di ba, meron pa tayong Clark Air Base. Yung customer niya, mga foreigner, taga Clark. Pinatikim niya yon. Tapos, nagustuhan. Hanggang pinamalita, pati yung mga nagdadaan-daan sa crossing, natikman din. So, nagustuhan. Hanggang dinagdagan niya ng, yung mismo, para daw may konting sigurong laman-laman, at para juicy siya. Kasi, di ba, yung tenga medyo, matigas-tigas. Dinagdagan niya ng, yung ulo ng baboy. Puwera lang, puwera utak. Hindi kasama. O tapos yun, tinatad niya rin yun. Masarap naman ang kinalabasan. O yun, hanggang ngayon, yun ang tinatangkilik ng tao.
Locals and tourists alike gather to experience this legendary dish. Whether you're a foodie, traveler, or cooking enthusiast, this video is your ultimate guide to authentic Filipino sisig.
Napakasimple lang ng sa amin. Hindi kamukha ng ibang version ng sisig nila, ano-ano yung nilalagay. Pero yung sa amin, napakasimple lang ng ingredients, di ba? Pero yun ang binabalik-balikan ng mga tao, yung original na recipe. Mga Filipino at mga foreigner, at taga-iba-ibang lugar, worldwide. Hindi naman ako nagyayabang, ha? Sinabi ko lang yung totoo.
The menu is a mixture of many different Filipino tastes, assembled to delight even the most discerning food enthusiast. Whether you're a local foodie or curious traveler, the diverse selection of dishes, ranging from savory to spicy, guarantees an adventure not easily forgotten.
Like yung, syempre noon hindi naman ganito kaganda yung buhay namin. Nag-i-start pa lang siya. Minsan syempre, nauubusan siya ng puhunan. Lalo na pag umuulan. Noon kasi natandaan ko pag umuulan, nagbabaha dyan hanggang dito yung tubig. Nakabotas sila. Yung nakabotas, yun ang medyo mahirap. At saka nung nagpinatubo, medyo hirap siya noon. Lahat ng tindahan nasira. Bata pa kasi kami noon, nakita ko lang nasira. Yung ipon niyang pera na nasa baol, napuno ng lahar. Hindi pa niya alam yung vault noon eh. Kaya, yun lang ang natatandaan ko. Marami siyang naubos lahat. Tapos nung naka-recover, syempre, konti-konti, nakapag-ano siya ulit. Hanggang ngayon, yan na, maganda yung buhay namin.
The sisig parts get chopped up into finer pieces so that they are easier to chew. Some people would say that the secret to good sisig is how well the butcher's knife chops up the pork ingredients into fine bits.
Nung pandemic, sa totoo lang, hindi kami nahirapan. Kasi food kami. Maraming umorder sa amin. Feeling ko parang kumita kami nung pandemic. Oo. Kumita kami kasi laging may nagme-message, order po ako ganyan. Marami. Hindi lang tig 10 pieces. May 300 pieces na sisig, yung nakatab. Ganyan ko. Dati kasi naka-box lang kami. Tapos nung pandemic, para hindi magmantika yung box, nilagay ko sa tab. Tapos pinag-aralan ko paano siya anuhin sa freezer ng mga 3 months. Okay naman siya. Kaya hanggang ngayon binebenta namin yung frozen sisig. Kumita kami. Oo, nung pandemic. Yun. Kabaliktaran nung sa lola ko, nung pinatubo, hindi siya kumita. Ngayon siguro dahil meron ng social media, kaya kumita kami nung pandemic.
Lucing sisig started in the 1970s when Lucia Cunanan and her family put up a food cart along the railroad crossing where Filipino workers and American servicemen at the Clark Air Force Base used to flock for lunch. The locals called her Dong Lucing. Since many of the Clark Air Force Base employees were Tagalog speakers, she was more popularly known as Aling Lucing. Aling Lucing accidentally burned a pig's head on the grill. Filipinos consider it a sin to waste food, so she chopped it all up into small pieces and mixed it with calamansi juice and onions. Lucing tried her new dish and realized it was good. From now on, I will call you Sisig. She started serving it to customers, not expecting that they would love it, with no idea that she just made a culinary revolution and later on would become the Sisig Queen. Aling Lucing has since then been featured in countless local newspapers, magazines, and TV shows, making the sisig dish more popular. The sisig dish was also introduced to other countries courtesy of the Filipino diaspora around the world. It is often championed abroad by local and foreign chefs alike, bringing Filipino cuisine to the forefront of the global dining scene. Sisig has become a Filipino culinary icon. The sizzling plate isn't just for show, it keeps the dish hot and brings out the flavor in every bite. Subscribe for more videos exploring Filipino cuisine, street food, and culinary traditions. If you loved this story, hit like and subscribe for more untold stories from the heart of the Philippines. Know someone with a story like this? Tell us in the comments. Let us know what you would like to see.
Ano niyo, future plans niya, ma'am, na Aling Lucing? Pag 5 to 10 years, ako binabalak niyo, mag-expert ba kayo? Ano pa ma'am gagawin?
Hindi, ang vision ko lang, yun nga, yung makilala pa siya. Worldwide. Kasi nag-start na eh. Alam na siya. Iba-iba ng nasyon na nagpupunta dito. Iba-iba yun. Yun ang gusto kong mangyari. In the future.